Good morning, Coach Lanita here with Becoming New Again Wellness. And excuse me, I just got done with my workout for today and I'm getting ready to make some breakfast and I wanted to share it with everyone. This is a phase 4 breakfast, so it does have some carbs in it, but some healthy carbs. And so I'm going to put you in my tripod here. And this is bird in a hole, and I'm sure you guys have heard of bird in a hole before. So one second here, I'm gonna actually swap you over to here because I'm gonna be cooking it. I'll bring my ingredients over. So I'm starting out with Ezekiel bread, and it's a sprouted bread, and so it's healthier and it has let's see, turn on the light. Okay, you'll see a little bit better maybe. It has 14 grams of carbs and 3 grams of fiber. So basically, what is that? That'll be 11 grams of carbs. And that's per serving, which is, serving size is 1 slice. So I'm working out now, so I'm adding healthy carbs into my diet because carbs are good fuel when you're working out. But I'm still keeping it fairly low. I'm still doing a low carb, low calorie diet right now. So basically, I'm cutting a hole in my bread. And there we go. So I'm gonna cut a hole there. That's where the egg is gonna go. Then I'm gonna use some butter. I'm sure I'm going to turn it on also. There we go. And I'm gonna butter my bread. Should have buttered it before I cut a hole in it. Oh, then I would have got my handful of butter. I'm going to get my handful of butter anyway. So butter. And I'm going to butter the hole too. And I'm going to actually butter the other side as well because I'm going to flip it. So this is where it gets messy. You can tell I just do these as I go, and I don't really think and plan them out very much, which I should, but you know, this is for you non-cooks. You'll be able to relate with my cooking skills. So there we go. A little more butter on here. Yes, people who know me know I love butter. And yes, I'm licking my fingers. Okay. I use Kerrygold grass-fed butter. Just a healthier option for us here in the house. And so then I'm going to let it cook a little bit. And I'm going to flip it. No, I'm not. I'm going to leave it like that for now. And while I'm letting it just heat up a little bit, I'm going to scoot you back here and I'm going to slice an avocado. So I'm going to put avocado and cheese on this as well. Actually, it's time to put the egg in. So you just take an egg and you crack it right in the hole. That's why it's called a bird in a hole. So you crack it in the hole of the bread. And then while that's cooking up a little bit, I'll add some salt. I don't add pepper. I add pink Himalayan salt. That's what I use. And I don't add pepper because I don't like how it makes my gut, it hurts my gut. What am I looking for? I'm looking for. So now I'm just gonna slice my avocado. I'm gonna use about a quarter of an avocado. That's pretty much what I use in a serving. So basically I just take it, and I know I've seen those things with avocado hand where people slice their hands. Just be careful. And so once this is done, then I'll put avocado and shredded, I never put my dishes away this morning. I got off track. Shredded, then I'll put shredded cheddar cheese on it also. So just about ready to turn. I like my fried eggs medium, so I'm not a fan of over easy, or I like the white all cooked and the yolk a little bit runny. So I can take this, flip it over, let that cook a little bit, and actually I'm going to go get my plate. So once it's done, I'll be able to plate it up and make it look pretty. And it'll be done here in just a few seconds. Just making sure, yuck, all that white is cooked and cooked well. I do not like runny white egg. Flip it again. I'm going to flip it a couple times just to make sure that the white gets done. Use a spoon, just kind of loosen the slices of avocado, and then once this comes out, I'll spread it on the top. And I actually am going to put a little dab of my homemade salsa on it as well. So I'll have salsa, avocado, got a little bit of cheddar cheese left over from taco night the other night, and so just about finished making sure. I would rather have my yolk more done than my white not done. So it looks to be about finished. So, plate her up. I'll put my avocado on it. Scoop it out. And spread the slices across it. Make it look pretty because I'm going to take a picture so I can share it. Like so. Hi, I see someone's on there. You make a comment, let me know who you are, where you're from, where you're watching from this morning. So I'm gonna, let me back this up a little bit so you can see what I'm doing right down here. There we go. I've got the avocado. I'm gonna spread some cheddar cheese and put a spoonful of salsa on there. A little more. There we go. So, Bird in a Hole. Hi there. I see two people are on there. Who is joining me this morning? I just got done. This is my Phase 4 Life After HCG, and it is Bird in the Hole. And I just did the recipe for the Bird in the Hole. Here's the hole too. A little piece of bread. Made with Ezekiel bread, so it's a healthy carb. So, hope you enjoyed that. Have a great day, and I will see you again soon. Take care. Bye.